Resolution 1. I will live for God. Resolution 2. If no one else does it, I'll do it anyway. Not by telling people about ourselves, we show our Christianity. Words are cheap. It is by costly Christian practice and self-denial that we show the reality of our faith. I often hear people in old age say how they would live if they wanted to live their life again. Determination that I would live as I thought I would had I lived to old age. He who has Christ has everything he needs and needs no more. Nothing keeps a person so out of reach of the devil than humility. Trust in God and you have nothing to fear. Every Christian family should be like a small church. Hurry and flee for your life. Do not look behind you. Flee to the mountains, lest you be consumed. Oh, may the Lord cleanse my filth, and wash away my sins, and purify me 7 times. Salvation is such a great thing, such a noble achievement, that it is worthy of a person to do his best every day of his whole life by using all the proper means that he can attain. The pleasures of humility are truly the most subtle, inner, and most beautiful pleasures in the world. Determined to never do anything I should fear if it were the last moments of my life. Prayer is as natural an expression of faith as breathing with life. Truth is the conformity of our ideas to God's ideas. When God is about to do something extraordinary, he always makes his people pray. Christ gives peace to the most sinners and afflicted who come to him. He healed the broken-hearted and bandaged their wounds. Of all the knowledge we can acquire, the knowledge of God and the knowledge of ourselves are the most important. How can you expect to stay with God forever if you ignore and leave him here? The best, most beautiful, and most perfect way we have to express harmony of mind with one another is through music.